a very happy new year. I hope 2015 is better than 2014 was, even if 2014 was really good. You could always use something better.
Thank you.
Respect.
Bachelor of the Year. So how do you feel about it?
Of course, very nice. Very excited actually. ऐसे होता रहना चाहिए हर साल और हर साल मैं ऐसे ही सेलेक्ट होता रहना चाहिए.
और आपको लगता है अगर आप नहीं तो who will be that one person from Bollywood की for Bachelor of the Year that you would love to nominate?
I think ऋतिक रोशन, of course. Actually सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा रहा. रियलिटी शो झलक दिखला जा जीता एंड 3 डेली सोप किए, तो इसके बाद अगला कदम ही फिल्म का ही था एंड फाइनली विशेष फिल्म से कॉल आ गया और खामोशियाँ हो गई. ऑफ कोर्स डेली सोप नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन ज़रूर ये कहूँगा कि आज के टाइम में टीवी बहुत बड़ा हो गया है और मुझे लगता है जैसे हॉलीवुड में होता है कि सभी जो एक्टर हैं टीवी भी करते हैं और फिल्म भी करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि आज वो समय आ गया है जहाँ पे आप फिल्म भी कर सकते हैं और टीवी भी कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली इसीलिए मैं आपको हमेशा अवार्ड शो में डांस करते हुए देखता हूँ कुछ ना कुछ, ताकि जो टीवी में जो लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं वो हमेशा मुझे देखते रहें टीवी पे. ऑफ कोर्स 2014 मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा. 2015 में बहुत कुछ प्लानिंग है, मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ होने जा रही है एंड आगे भी बहुत अच्छी प्लानिंग है. तो मुझे लगता है कि जैसे 2014 मेरे लिए अच्छा रहा वैसे 2015 मेरे लिए अच्छा रहेगा. खामोशिया के सेट पे बहुत लोग खामोश रहते थे, लेकिन मैं केबल का एक शॉट था जहाँ पे मैं हार्नेस में था और बीच से टूट गया, तो मैं बहुत चिल्लाते हुए नीचे आया था. तो मुझे लगता है सेट का जो खामोशियाँ थी वो टूट गई थी और बच गया था, मैं टूटने से बच गया था. अली बहुत ही अच्छा लड़का है और हम लोग में अच्छी बहुत दोस्ती है. पहले एक दूसरे को आप करते रहे, फिर आप से तुम होता रहा, फिर तू हो गया, तो समझ सकते दोस्ती बढ़ती जा रही है. तो बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, जब भी मिलते बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. इनफैक्ट सेट पे बहुत मस्ती की है हमने. तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है कि जब टीवी के एक्टर्स आज के टाइम में फिल्म कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि हमारी जिम्मेवारी बन जाती है कि आप इतना अच्छा काम करें कि जो पीछे का जो रास्ता है, जो लोग जो टीवी में आ रहे हैं उनके लिए भी एक रास्ता खुल जाए. तो एक बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी लेके हम यहाँ पे फिल्म में आए हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि हम बहुत अच्छा काम करें. तो आई एम श्योर कि करण भी वही सोच रहा होगा. मुझे लगता है कि जो पीछे के जो एक्टर जो टीवी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए एक रास्ता खुल जाए. 2014 मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा, इनफैक्ट आप सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा होगा, इसीलिए आशा करते हैं कि 2015 आप सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहे. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
वेल एज ऑफ नाउ कल हम लोग अपना वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम द फिल्म हम लोग वो खोल रहे हैं, विच इज़ अ बिग केप्ट सीक्रेट, तू और लम्हा. सो ट्यून इन, एक्चुअली यू विल सी. उसका वीडियो कल ही सुबह निकल रहा है 11 बजे. चेक रहा. फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस अप्रैल में आ रही है. मैंने उस पर काफ़ी 2 दफ़ा जाके 2 शेड्यूल्स पे काम किया था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली पॉल वॉकर की डेथ हो गई, तो उसकी वजह से वी हैड टू रीडू अ कपल ऑफ सीन्स. सो या वेरी एक्साइटेड. देखते क्या होता है. मैं ही सीक्रेट हूँ यार, मुझे खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअली. मैंने पिक्चर ख़त्म की है, अब जो खिचड़ी हो रही है वो भट्ट साहब के ऑफिस में हो रही है. लेकिन आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. ऐसी एक मिस्ट्री है, साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है, देयर इज अ लव स्टोरी, देयर इज सो या उसमें हर तरीके का जॉनर है एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट वी वांट टू स्लोली अनरावल. I wish you all a very very happy new year. Be safe, party hard, and yeah, enjoy your holidays and Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you. Thanks.
I think I don't believe in competing with anybody else actually. My only competition is myself. I try to be a better me every time I perform. I'm not competing with anyone. Plans कुछ नहीं है. I'm going to spend New Year's and Christmas at home with mom and dad and my brother. So not so alone. This is the same film. This is we bought the rights for the film that is in Thai, and we've changed the story according to what we feel the Indian audience will prefer. Hi, this is Karan Singh Grover, and I wish you all a very, very, very Merry Christmas and very Happy New Year.
New Year plans would be spending with my friends and family, of course, enjoying, and definitely not New Year, New Me. I'm going to be myself throughout this year, throughout other years. Yeah, I think there are a lot of people, of course, who really, really hot, who I find really, really hot. But one of my favorites is Ranveer Singh. So yeah, he is the Bachelor of the Year for me. He's hot. He's really good at what he does, and I love his work. So yeah.
Okay, so what are your New Year plans?
As I said, we'll be spending with my family and friends, and yeah, gonna be enjoying it. Wish you all a very blessed and a very happy new year. Keep loving and take care of yourself.
Thank you.
मैं काफ़ी मसरूफ़ था अपनी फिल्म की शूटिंग के साथ जा रहा,
हमने 2 स्केड्यूल ख़त्म कर दिया, एक रह गया, सो इसलिए मसरूफियत थी थोड़ी।
इस न्यू लुक के बारे में बताइए. Totally different. You have a planned style onto your hair. You have a different ponytail. So is this inspired from someone or it's just for your?
You know, I've been growing my hair for my movie Yara, so I'm gonna be cutting it very short very soon. So I just thought let me just try a few looks that can go with this long hair.
Okay, with you, the FHM is Bachelor of the Year. What is being awarded inside? So apart from you, who do you think is the Bachelor of 2014 from Bollywood?
You know, I think if I say one name, it will be incorrect because all the bachelors are worth being the bachelors, and as long as they can be. But I think right now Hrithik Roshan is really one of the good bachelors. Actually, I'm just looking forward to working towards the things that I've been working on. I've been trying to create new action. I'm hoping that people love Commando 2 much more than what they've liked Commando. I'm expecting them to love Yara, so that's what's my future plan.
लास्टली विद्युत एक न्यू ईयर स्पेशल आपके सभी फैंस का होना है.
This is for all the people who are striving. Keep striving because you will make it, and it's worth waiting for the best things to happen to you. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
ये यार गुंडे के टाइम पे हुआ था. हम लोग जश्न इश्क का सॉन्ग शूट कर रहे थे और मुझे गलती से एक डांसर का हेडबट लग गया, तो ले खून दे खून, और मैं गिर गया था नीचे. वो मेकिंग में है एक्चुअली. अर्जुन केम टू माई रेस्क्यू एक्चुअली. वो सबको हटा के पानी पिला रहा था. मुझे प्लास्टिक सर्जन के पास जाना पड़ा क्योंकि खुल गया था एकदम, तो उसको सिलाना पड़ा ये वो. तो अब एक मार्क हो गया है फॉर लाइफ, बट आई लाइक इट. It looks quite badass.
Ranveer, FX is all about Bachelor of the Year for 2014. So do you really think that you're the Bachelor? And if not you, who would that one person be from Bollywood?
Well, I am a bachelor. And yeah, I'm good that I'm glad actually that they've decided to bestow this honor upon me, because I don't know how long I have left as a bachelor, so it's good to have received it in good time. I think the technical definition of bachelor is what? Somebody who's unmarried, right? I'm definitely not married right now, so that's why I'm glad they've given me this while I'm still unmarried.
So do you, Ranveer, you've always seen experimenting with your looks. So
Yeah.
what is that thought behind wearing such clothes? Or
Well, the thought behind the hat is to hide my takla, which Mr. Bhansali has asked me to preserve and keep that look under wraps till it's time for Bajirao to release. Very, very happy with the way Bajirao is shaping up. I always knew it would be a special experience, and it's really turning out to be quite fantastic. I'm very, very excited about the way it's being mounted. It's a huge film, there's a lot left to shoot, and but it's going very well, and I'm very, very happy about it. Baki to, I don't know, Natasha, my stylist, credit to her. My style has a lot to do with her, me and her collaborating together. So she brings me stuff, and invariably I select the one that I like. It just so happens that apparently my selection is, edgy or quirky, as they say. I don't try to be. It's just that's how it is actually. So yeah, I've noticed that a lot of people say that. But I just make the choices that appeal to me, like with my clothes, like with everything else in life.
Ranveer, New Year is round the corner,
Yes,
and if Ranveer is asked to throw a party, so
Yeah.
in what style will that be?
I'll probably have a trance party. I'm a big fan of psychedelic trance. It's my favorite kind of music. Somewhere out in the open, some nice psychedelic trance. It should be a good party. A fantastic show. What a raging success it became. It was. I'm glad to be associated with All India Baksho. They are unique. Their writing is unique. They're extremely talented writers. I always like to do something that pushes the envelope. In this case, we're pushing the envelope of comedy in India. So first time ever in India that the concept has been introduced, and it became a raging success. I mean, the feedback for the show has been amazing. How cool of Raji Masan and Karan Johar and Raghuram and all the panelists to come out and be so sporting, to be able to laugh at themselves, to take a joke on themselves. It was and the crowd loved it. The 4,000 people that were there were 4,000 people, all young people, and they were just in splits. it was sold out, and we're already planning the next one. So it should be. I'm glad that we have been part of the first roast in India, and that it's become a success. There's a lot of speculation about how the show went. What I can tell you is that it was a grand success, and I think the show is being edited right now, and it'll be on YouTube in a few days. So we're shooting Bajirao Mastani actually because there's so much left to shoot. You know, we have a release date coming up in next December. A lot of days of shoot, so I'll only have just a few days off, so I think I'll just take rest because I'll be shooting Bajirao till the end of the month, and then we resume immediately after the new year. Very, very tough film, very demanding, very difficult, but I'm very happy that I have something to sink my teeth into. So there's a lot of work that's going into it, so we'll effectively be, just taking a break from work and just getting right back into it after the new year. Hi, this is Ranveer Singh, wishing all the viewers a very, very happy and prosperous new year.
Thank you.